In this video, we are going to plot and find coordinates of points in the Cartesian coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinate system is also known as the XY plane. X is this horizontal axis with negative numbers on the left and positive numbers on the right. You've probably drawn a number line like that already in the past. I think that we've used that to show how to do addition and subtraction of integers. We just didn't label it with an X before. And we have another number line that goes vertically. The place where they intersect here is called the origin. It's the point 0, 0 with a value of 0 on X and 0 on Y. Positive Y values go up and negative Y values go down. It splits the coordinate plane into 4 quadrants. This up here is going to be quadrant 1. We use Roman numerals to refer to them. This is going to be quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So something in quadrant 1 has coordinates that are both positive. Something in quadrant 2 has a negative X coordinate and a positive Y coordinate. Something in quadrant 3 has coordinates that are both negative, negative X and negative Y. And quadrant 4 has a positive X value and a negative Y value. I'll erase that. That's not really part of what we're doing right here, but you may hear me talk about quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4, or I may even say Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 to abbreviate the word quadrant. So let's go ahead and look at our problems that we have here. These are like problems from 6.3, numbers 9, 13, 17, 21, 23, 29, and 33. So let's try and plot this point first, a point of positive 4, positive 3. So we're going to go out on the x-axis to positive 4, and then we're going to go up on the y-axis to positive 3, and we're going to put a dot there that's called a point. They didn't give us a letter to associate with that point, so we just put the point. We don't need to call it point A or point P or anything like that. The next point that they give us is going to be 0 for X, so it's going to be on the y-axis, and it's going to have a Y value of 6. So 0 for X, and then up to positive 6 for Y. And we're going to put a point right there at 0, 6. Now we want to plot the point 2, negative 5, which is going to be in quadrant 4. 2, negative 5. It's going to be right here. 0, negative, or 0, positive 8. So 0, positive 8, 6, 7, 8. Should be right there. Get my pen to draw a point there. Kind of small, but just because the tick marks are smaller there, but it's right there, right before the tick mark where there's a 9. Each tick mark here is 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. All right, going to keep going here. Now I want to write the coordinates of the point that's on the graph down here. I think that you see point A down here on the y-axis, and that has a y value of negative 8. It's on the y-axis, so it has an x coordinate of 0. So it's going to be 0, negative 8. This one over here is at -2 for x and -9 for y. And then we have a point. I have to zoom my paper out a little bit so you can see it. That's up here in quadrant 1, and it's at 8, 9. That's going to be our last problem for this video. We'll come back and we'll talk about this problem next time, where we determine which ordered pairs satisfy a given equation. So we'll see you for the next video.